No, we're not to change the house. We're still here. I don't know when.
Hello everybody. Do you still suffer from chronic pain? Disc pain? Joint pain? With our 5
Still, when you come back to, in Egypt. How? It looks like you're not playing your games now, huh? August 30. Okay. Have a safe flight. Did you enjoy your vacation?